Deep beneath the Swiss Alps, humanity has carved a monumental path directly through 57 kilometers of solid, unforgiving granite bedrock. This is the Gotthard Base Tunnel, a triumph of heavy engineering designed to conquer Europe's most formidable natural mountain barrier. At a maximum depth of over 2,300 meters, the pressure of the Earth above is simply immense. To build this, engineers had to rethink how we interact with the crust of our planet on a massive scale. I invite you to step inside this subsurface megafactory, where precision mathematics meets brutal, raw mechanical force. Our journey begins not with the excavation, but with the extreme geological profile that defined every single layout decision. The rock strata vary wildly, shifting from incredibly hard crystalline granite to soft, squeezing sedimentary layers almost instantly. Without absolute structural support, the immense weight of the Alps would collapse these transit tubes in mere seconds. The solution lies in a perfectly coordinated, continuous manufacturing assembly line operating completely deep underground. At the very heart of this operation is the Herrenknecht tunnel boring machine, a massive 400-meter-long mechanical beast. This colossal machine acts as a self-propelled factory, carving out rock while simultaneously stabilizing the newly exposed tunnel walls. Its massive cutter head, spinning under extreme hydraulic pressure, exerts millions of newtons of force against the rock face. Dozens of heavy-duty tungsten carbide disc cutters grind the solid granite into fine gravel and manageable rock debris. This continuous grinding generates intense thermal energy, requiring an advanced, closed-loop water cooling system to protect the cutter head. The sheer scale of this machinery requires a dedicated electrical substation deep within the mountain to power its engines. As the cutter head advances, the excavated material must be cleared instantly to prevent clogging the cutting chamber. A complex system of internal conveyor belts carries the crushed rock backward through the machine's long support gantry. From there, a high-speed logistical rail network transports millions of tons of Alpine rock out to the surface. Over 28 million tons of excavated material were removed, with much of it recycled into concrete for the tunnel lining. This circular supply chain minimized the external environmental impact of this massive, multi-billion-dollar infrastructure project. But drilling the hole is only the first phase of this highly complex subterranean manufacturing process. Immediately behind the rotating cutter head, the exposed geological structure must be secured against sudden rock burst events. Tremendous geological stress causes the solid rock to explode outward, throwing lethal stone shards into the workspace. To counter this, automated robotic arms immediately install heavy steel mesh along the curved ceiling of the tunnel. Next, high-pressure sprayers apply a thick layer of quick-setting liquid shotcrete onto the mesh structure. This concrete layer bonds instantly to the rock, creating a temporary structural shell that absorbs the surrounding geological pressure. Deep rock anchors, measuring up to several meters long, are then drilled directly into the mountain's core. These solid steel rods tie the outer rock layers together, preventing any catastrophic shifting or sudden ceiling collapses. Only after this temporary stabilization is complete can the permanent concrete lining process begin further down the line. This dual-shield approach ensures maximum safety for the tunneling crews working kilometers beneath the Alpine surface. With the temporary rock support securely in place, the engineering team prepares for the highly advanced waterproofing phase. Groundwater is a constant, dangerous adversary when you are working deep beneath a massive Alpine water table. High-pressure water constantly seeks the smallest microscopic pathways through the rock, trying to flood the transit tube. To prevent water ingress, a heavy-duty, impermeable yellow polymer membrane is systematically unrolled across the tunnel roof. Specialized welding machines seal the seams of these plastic sheets together, creating a completely seamless waterproof barrier. Any moisture that seeps through the rock is safely directed downward along the membrane into drainage pipes below. This passive gravity-fed drainage system ensures the interior of the railway tubes remains bone dry for decades. Once the protective membrane is fully secured, the massive concrete casting gantry is slowly rolled into position. This giant steel shuttering machine matches the exact curved interior geometry of the final train transit tunnel. High-grade liquid concrete is pumped under immense pressure behind the steel forms to create the outer shell. Sensors embedded within the concrete monitor the hydration temperature, ensuring the structural shell cures perfectly without cracking. This continuous pouring method creates a smooth, monolithic concrete arch capable of withstanding mountain weight loads. Every single block of concrete is cataloged, mapped, and checked for density to guarantee absolute structural integrity. This strict quality control is the only way to ensure the tunnel lasts its designed 100-year lifespan.
The scale of the project is truly unprecedented. Once completed, this subterranean highway will transform how goods are moved across the region.
With the solid concrete archway fully cured, we transition to the complex process of installing the internal railway infrastructure. A specialized concrete bed, known as slab track, is cast along the tunnel floor to provide a modern, ballastless foundation. This slab track technology eliminates the need for traditional loose gravel, reducing future maintenance requirements to almost zero. Precision laser guide systems align the track bed down to a fraction of a single millimeter before the concrete sets. Even the smallest geological shifting or misalignment would cause catastrophic vibrations at high operating train speeds. Next, the massive steel rail tracks, engineered to withstand extreme friction, are laid onto the prepared foundation. Heavy-duty rail fastening systems secure the steel tracks, absorbing the massive kinetic energy generated by speeding trains. Specialized mobile welding machines travel along the tracks, seamlessly fusing the individual steel rails together into continuous lines. This thermite welding process creates perfectly smooth joints, eliminating the rhythmic click-clack sound of traditional railroads. Parallel to the tracks, workers install kilometers of heavy-duty concrete cable trays along both sides of the tunnel. These trays house the vital nervous system of the tunnel, including high-voltage power lines and fiber optic communication cables. Every single cable must be carefully routed to prevent electromagnetic interference from disrupting critical signaling systems. We are looking at thousands of kilometers of wiring, all protected inside fire-resistant conduits deep within the concrete structure. To power this colossal network, electrical engineering teams establish massive substation nodes at regular intervals. These power nodes distribute electricity to the overhead catenary lines, providing continuous power to high-speed trains. With the power grid connected, we now focus on the massive ventilation shafts required to keep this underground environment safe. When trains pass through at 200 kilometers per hour, they push a massive wall of compressed air ahead of them. This piston effect creates immense aerodynamic drag and rapid pressure changes that could damage train structures and passenger ears. To resolve this, engineers construct massive air shafts every few kilometers to relieve the building pneumatic pressure within the tubes. At these junctions, colossal industrial ventilation fans, spanning several meters in diameter, are carefully balanced and bolted down. These Titan fans are engineered to cycle fresh air from the surface down through vertical shafts over a kilometer deep. The fan blades are cast from high-strength aluminum alloys to withstand continuous stress and prevent any potential fatigue fractures. In addition to ventilation, a highly sophisticated active drainage pump system is installed along the lowest points of the tunnel. These heavy industrial pumps are capable of evacuating thousands of liters of highly acidic mountain water every single minute. Specialized filtration tanks treat the collected water to neutralize acidity before it is safely pumped out into local rivers. This step is crucial to prevent environmental contamination of the beautiful, pristine Alpine valleys directly above our heads. At the same time, massive fire barrier doors are installed inside the cross passages connecting the twin transit tunnels. These heavy steel doors are designed to withstand temperatures of over 1,000 degrees Celsius for several hours. They feature automatic pneumatic seals that prevent toxic smoke from leaking into the safe escape tunnel during an emergency. Every single mechanical seal is tested under high-pressure air to ensure it functions flawlessly in a crisis situation. Once the fire doors are verified, electrical engineers begin installing the optical sensors that detect localized temperature spikes. These fiber optic sensor lines run along the entire length of the tunnel ceiling, constantly monitoring thermal activity. Even a minor rise in temperature over a small segment will immediately trigger automated alarms in the central control room. This rapid detection capability allows safety systems to pinpoint the exact location of any thermal anomaly in seconds.
We are standing deep within the new infrastructure project, a testament to modern engineering.
Next, the installation team moves on to the ETCS Level 2 signaling system, removing traditional visual trackside signals. Instead, data is transmitted directly to the train driver's cab display via a continuous digital radio network. This high-speed wireless connection operates flawlessly despite the thick granite walls surrounding the train tracks. Highly sensitive radio antennas are systematically mounted to the concrete ceiling every few hundred meters. These antennas are protected inside specialized shock-proof housings to survive the constant wind force of passing trains. Every single communication link is thoroughly scanned to prevent dropouts or signal dead zones within the mountain. This electronic network acts as the brain of the tunnel, safely coordinating trains moving in opposite directions. If a train ever loses its data connection, the system automatically slows down surrounding traffic as a precaution. This level of strict operational safety is vital when trains are traveling at over 200 kilometers per hour. Now, the focus shifts to the emergency evacuation stations located deep at the third-point intervals of the tunnel. These massive subterranean emergency halt stations are masterfully designed to save lives in the event of an onboard train fire. If an alarm is triggered, the affected train automatically guides itself directly to one of these dedicated survival zones. Here, passengers can safely exit the train onto brightly lit, pressurized concrete platforms completely free of toxic smoke. Heavy-duty ventilation dampers instantly activate, drawing dangerous exhaust fumes upward into separate extraction shafts away from people. These powerful exhaust vents operate at maximum capacity, maintaining an essential clean air breathing space at platform level. At the same time, high-volume water mist systems deploy overhead, rapidly cooling the surrounding air inside the evacuation cavern. This specialized water mist suppresses heat radiation, protecting the escape routes and the underlying structural concrete work. Specialized escape doors, painted in high visibility green, lead evacuees directly into safe pressurized cross passages. These passages are kept at a slightly positive atmospheric pressure to prevent smoke from entering from the train tunnels. Every single safety door has an electronic lock that is integrated directly with the central control room. In a crisis, these locks disengage automatically, ensuring unobstructed passage through to the adjacent, unaffected transit tube. To power these massive life support system modules, dedicated backup generators are housed in separate, reinforced vaults. These giant diesel engines can fire up within seconds of a primary power grid failure, ensuring continuous operation. Weekly test protocols ensure these emergency generators can reach full operational load limits without any mechanical delay. This relentless focus on system reliability is what makes the Gotthard Base Tunnel an absolute marvel of safety engineering. With all structural, mechanical, and safety systems fully integrated, the comprehensive testing and commissioning phase finally begins. Specialized test trains, packed with advanced diagnostic sensors, are deployed to run continuous loops through the twin tubes. These diagnostic systems monitor track deflection, overhead wire tension, and signal quality at gradually increasing speeds. Engineers analyze gigabytes of real-time data to verify that the track behaves perfectly under heavy dynamic loads. Over several months, hundreds of test runs are executed to ensure every mechanical component is completely stabilized. Every single rail weld is scanned once more using ultrasonic technology to detect any hidden internal microcracks. Only after meeting these extraordinarily strict quality parameters is the tunnel officially certified for passenger and freight operations. This massive railway artery now allows freight trains to transport millions of tons of goods across Europe daily. It slashes travel times between major economic hubs, bypassing the steep, slow mountain passes of the old rail routes.
This tunnel represents a major leap forward in urban infrastructure, designed to withstand the pressures of the next century.
It proves that no geological barrier is absolute if we apply the right mechanical force and logical design. At Quantum K Manufacturing, we believe in analyzing these extreme engineering processes to push the boundaries of modern industry. We study the heavy machinery, the structural materials, and the rigorous logistics that make these megaprojects possible. If you are fascinated by the brutal power of heavy mechanics and the elegance of precision engineering, join us. Subscribe to our channel to explore more of the world's most incredible engineering achievements and complex manufacturing marvels.